Hey everyone, this is a quick point of clarification video on how to edit and create polls in real time during a meeting. And I actually think this is a bit of a happy accident because, using polls is a great tool in Zoom, but there are a lot of moving parts to it. So I think it's actually good that this is sort of a separate piece that you can view on its own. So at this point, hopefully you've watched the longer video on how to do real-time polling, both mine and, Zoom's official video. If not, go back and check those out. But let's say, you got a poll. And so I've got one up here on cats and world domination, and you realize, oh no, there's a spelling error. Or you know what? Actually, I think I want to use another poll. You can use up to about 25 polls, separate polls with individual questions in them during a meeting. So I'm going to hit edit right there, and it brings up a separate browser window. And in the separate browser window, you can add a separate poll. So we've got cats and world domination. Let's do dogs and domination. And we'll ask the question that that's on everyone's minds. Are dogs trying to take over the world? And we'll give the two obvious choices. No, they're too nice. Or, as my cat stares me down here, no, just not capable. And we save. And now that we've saved it, right, check it out, it's saved. We can go back to the initial meeting. I'm going to bring it up here. And it'll drop down menu. There you go. And so it's that simple. That's how you add and edit polls in real time. So hopefully that answers any questions that might be lingering from the previous video. And there you go. Thank you very much.